Well, hello everyone out there in the wild, wild west of the internet. It's the month of January 2023, Friday the 13th. Ooh. My name is Lenny Hernandez and we got a great show in store for you. Our episode today first wraps up the final days of Arrow's 45 Days of Holiday Cheer with Orthodox Christmas. But after that, we're finding joy in the quieter moments. You know, now that the hustle and bustle of the holiday season is over, things are calming down and we're going to take a look at how residents are coming together, having fun, and sharing kindness and joy amongst one another. So grab a snack, get comfortable, because we're starting Arrow Nicely News. Our first story of the day is about the 45th and final day of Arrow's 45 Days of Holiday Cheer. It happened on January 7th, which was Orthodox Christmas. Orthodox Christmas is the day where Orthodox Christians celebrate Christmas following the Julian calendar that predates the more common Gregorian calendar. Generally marked by devout vigils and traditional feasts, Arrow took a moment to celebrate the Nativity with a Story Corner reading of The Christmas Blessing by Aaron Goldishberger and Gail Yarrell. Residents read the wonderful book to their peers as well as some adorable child visitors. They also held special arts and crafts events for those young guests. And VITALIA Rockside also welcomed into their community Greek dancers from St. Paul's Greek Orthodox Church. Attendees were from Rockside, but also sister VITALIA communities Stowe and North Royalton attended. The residents had a blast watching the incredible, talented young dancers do traditional steps, spins, and kicks to mark the occasion. A huge thank you to the performers, and we hope that everyone out there who celebrates had a Merry Orthodox Christmas. Even though that was the end of Arrow's 45 Days of Holiday Cheer, you should not worry, for the fun does not stop there. No, communities still have a calendar full of fun events and outings guaranteed to thrill, delight, and otherwise bring joy to residents. The Princeton Senior Living, for example, took a trip to Summit Lanes in Lee Summit to celebrate National Bowling Month. Apparently there were a couple veteran bowlers who were in bowling leagues there, so here's hoping they didn't hustle any of their fellow residents. Okay, disclaimer, no one was hustled, okay? It was all friendly competition. The residents there, they set them up and knocked them down. They had a great time. Our next story is about a special little lady who stopped by the Township Senior Living. Now this young one stole hearts everywhere she went in the community, and you better be prepared to fall in love as well. Allow me to introduce Nova. Nova belongs to a nurse at the township who was just kind enough to bring this little baby to say hello to the residents. And as you can see, her adorable little fluffy face just brought so much joy and happiness to everyone she encountered. Now, I hope this little girl got all the pets and treats that she clearly deserves, and that everyone who wanted to give her a little boop gave her just a little boop. Oh, they don't love me, puppy. Oh, they don't cute. Speaking of puppy love, Arrow Senior Living communities also held romantic candlelight dinners for residents. The Township Senior Living served up a delicious Greek salad, Tuscan chicken with bow tie pasta, and brownie cheesecake. Over at the Castlewood Senior Living, residents enjoyed sirloin steak and peach whiskey glazed salmon, served with twice-baked potato chips, bacon-wrapped broccolini, and a salad bar and dessert bar with all the goodies. Everyone over there enjoyed their amazing food, and it goes to show that our culinary teams are not slowing down even after the 45 days are over. Bon appetit, I am hungry. For our final story of the day, we'd like to wish a happy 93rd birthday to Mary Lou of VITALIA Montrose. She turned a vibrant 93 years old just the other day, and like the cake says, Mary Lou, you're 93 and cute as can be. A very happy birthday to you, Mary Lou. Well, everybody, that'll do it for this week's episode of Arrow Nicely News. I hope you had as much fun watching the news as I did delivering the news to you. And so now I send you off into the weekend riding that high. So have a wonderful weekend, an even better week, and we will see you all next Friday for another delightful episode of Arrow Nicely News. Toodles. And in the words of the great bowling champion Pete Weber, I don't know who you think you are, I am! Who do you think you are? I am! No one's gonna get that reference. Does not matter. Still great.